5 seconds. The committee was apprised of the case of industrial units situated in the industrial area who, according to the then terms of lease laid down by the Improvement Trust, were entitled to 75% compensation. Full stop. However, due to the coming of the master plan into force, subsequently the authorities were not permitting construction of buildings as was laid down in the terms of lease. Full stop. It was felt that the attitude of the authorities was not fair in as much as the units which came into existence prior to the master plan should be governed by the terms of the original lease and not the subsequent regulations which might have come into being. Full stop. It was decided that the matter now may be taken up with the concerned ministry. Para. The committee considered a letter from Messrs. Indian Tools Limited. Full stop. It had been intimated that more and more companies were shifting their registered head offices to Delhi due to the fact that most of the concerned government departments were situated at Delhi. Para. This naturally has caused more pressure on the available office accommodation, and this has resulted in use of residential accommodation for office purposes. Full stop. The DDA and other authorities were objecting to such use of residential accommodation for office purposes in the city of Delhi. Para. It was clarified that according to the provisions of the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act, the use of residential accommodation for office purposes is permissible on payment of additional taxes and with assurance that other residents in the area will not be disturbed in any way. Para. The secretary will prepare and circulate the minutes, and after getting approval from the members, a copy of each will be sent to Minister of Housing and Delhi Municipal Corporation within a week from date. Para. It was decided that the concerned member may be advised accordingly in writing, giving full details at the earliest. Para. The chairman was authorized to decide about the date for the next meeting of the committee in consultation with other members of the association. Full stop. The chairman will take necessary action in this connection at the earliest possible opportunity and circulate the date as soon as finalized, giving sufficient time so that the members are able to present themselves para. In the next meeting, secretary will bring him a draft of the application to be filed with the Director of Industries, Punjab, to be submitted on behalf of the industrialists from the state of Punjab. Full stop. Over.